Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Well, since you're here, watch this small dated bathroom get a facelift with paint and contact paper. It's all right, stay a while. My family and I grew tired of this green tile. I liked it, but it made this small bathroom feel dark and old. I wanted to lighten up the walls so that we could enjoy an updated bathroom. I don't like painting. I saw online stickers that cover tiles. I thought that this would be a good alternative to painting, especially since I didn't want to permanently change the tile color. To get the amount of tiles that I would need to cover my bathroom would cost me a pretty penny, so I decided to make my own using contact paper. I measured a tile and made cuts. I needed a lot of squares, so cutting took a while. I multiplied the number of tiles across and down to get the number of squares I would need for each wall. To make cutting the squares easier, I first cut the paper into strips. Make sure that the surface is clean and dry. Then take the backing from the contact paper and apply to the tile. Smooth out any bubbles or lift and reapply if you notice you put it on crooked or if it has too many air bubbles. I think this is a good solution for renters or if you just want to switch things up temporarily. Here, you'll notice how the white stickers don't all look the same. This is because I used two different kinds of white contact paper. One was thicker than the other. I suggest getting a thicker contact paper, especially if you're covering colored tiles with white. I went through all of that and I changed my mind. As much as I don't like to paint, I decided that would be the best for at least 2/3 of the bathroom. I used this paint. It is a paint and primer in one. It's also mold and mildew resistant. It took about 4 coats using a paint roller. I was satisfied with the outcome. I am so thankful my husband helped me. I still use the contact paper I cut into squares inside the tub shower area. I didn't have footage of the application process. It's the same as applying the white stickers. I use marble contact paper. I left the white tiles on the shower wall uncovered as to keep the original design. I decided to use the self-adhesive wall tile as part of the design on one of the shower walls. This panel is from Dollar Tree. If you want a good seal between the seams, you might consider using a clear coat of polyurethane. Here's how it turned out. My family and I are so happy with the results. I think it turned out really well. What do you think? Please leave a comment down below. I hope you found this video to be helpful and inspiring, and I wish you to have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.